Sheetal Malar.
And I'm Atul Kasbekar.
And you're watching Fashion and Style.
Well, Sheetal, what do you think about the event tonight? What's happening here and clothes and...
Well, I think it's definitely much larger than the previous store, and they've got a few more designers, and I think they're really cool. I think that as a new one downstairs called something Bal, who's quite cool, and it's definitely the same lovely ensemble, just with a new flavor, I guess. And the clothes are beautiful as usual. The upstairs is only Tarun's clothes, which are stunning. And I think it's been a nice evening.
Who's your favorite designer?
That's a politically incorrect question to ask me. I can't answer it being a model, honestly.
Your role model as a...
My role model as a model, I don't have one. I think my mum could be my role model, yeah. She's the one I admire the most.
So what do you do to keep yourself fit?
I do the same things which everyone else does. I exercise when I feel fat. I don't exercise when I feel fit. And I try to be healthy as much as I can. I drink a lot of water and all that. So it's the same things that everyone does, basically. My favorite nightclub would be, I don't party so much, but then I think I like Athena and the other place, Velocity.
What do you do with your skincare? Any tips?
Any tips? I try to sleep as much as I can and eat healthy, because basically your skin glows only when you're relaxed and you're healthy. So superficially, I'd probably use like a cleanser and a moisturizer, just the usual stuff which everyone does.
The important things you carry in your handbag.
My handbag is like a suitcase. I carry everything in my handbag. I carry 2 books. If I get bored of reading one book, I read the other one. I carry everything. But basically, I think it's my cell phone, my digital diary, and a book.
Where do you see yourself 5 years after?
I don't know where I see myself 6 months from now, so 5 years is a long time. I'm not a big planner, so I really don't know, honestly. Favorite food would be South Indian food and Italian food. I eat everything, I have a big appetite, but I think South Indian food is first on the list and then Italian food.
Favorite holiday spot?
Maldives is my favorite holiday spot.
Favorite color?
Blue and white.
And what's your star sign?
Taurus. I'm actually on the cusp. I'm an Aries Taurus cusp.
Okay, if you would not be a model, what would you be?
That's $1 million question, because I don't know. I mean, I started modeling when I was 17 years old, so I don't really know what I would be otherwise.
Today between Indian fashion scenario and
In terms of?
everything.
In terms of everything, fashion.
Brands and the way models abroad and in India.
I guess in India, I have an audience. I guess in India, it's basically the same, but the way people work here and the way people work there are a bit different. There, say in a fashion show, you don't spend as much time doing a show as much as you do there. So there, if you have a fashion show, you come 3 hours before the show and you're fine. But then here, you have to come 2 days before and do the whole thing. And I think the girls in India have a great potential. I just feel if they had a better platform and someone to help them abroad, we would really make it big abroad. But then I feel our Indian fashion has come a long way from the last 5 to 7 years. So I think we're almost at par with them.
Any fashion
Sorry?
stores in abroad, like fashion outlets?
Yeah, when I was there, I did shows for Armani and Fendi and all the big Italian designers there.
What would you like Indian fashion trends better abroad, or you like a
Fusion in terms, I mean, are you asking me? Fusion. I love the Indo-Western fusion, and actually I like a blend of both. Yeah, that's what I would like.
That's it.
This is like a thesis.
I just need a minute from you is that describe yourself.
Just don't ask me such
One
questions.
line, okay? And what does passion mean to you? Passion means to you, describe yourself.
What does fashion mean to me? I don't know. What does fashion mean to me? A job. Honestly speaking, a job. A paid holiday. It's not a paid holiday. It's a lot of hard work. It seems like a paid holiday. But first it's a job and a lifestyle basically. Of course I enjoy doing it. I've been doing it for so many years. But then sometimes, like other jobs, it can be overbearing sometimes. And then I have no complaints because I've had a great time overall. Yes, I have a business now with my husband, so we're doing that. And I paint and I try to be a good wife and all that. Thanks.